Hey guys, Karsh from OneTap. So today we're going to be talking about how to add photos to your check-in process. I guess a common reason why people add photos to their check-in process is because they really want to be sure that the person checked in was actually there. It serves as a better visual evidence and like other stuff inside OneTap. So here's how you do it. So you will create a list, and so we're going to create a list right here called like smiles, right? Check-in for your event. And check in with the photo. It's just like I just added any sort of description right now. And then we're gonna say the check-in method here is gonna be photo, and then we're also gonna do checkouts as well, and we're gonna set that to photo. And if we go over here, we go into the list, we have the list right here. So we're gonna go ahead and add profile. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do check-ins as an admin, and then we're gonna go into the visitor methods. So on the dashboard, it's pretty simple. We'll just go ahead and add a name in there. So we'll add Isabel's name in there. And then as soon as we click on check-in, we're gonna get the camera right here, and this is where the photo can be taken. And then as soon as you take the photo, for example, we hit the take photo button, you can hit the check-in button, and there it is. And then like the check-in will take place. The iOS app is exactly gonna be the exact same flow. So we're gonna go back into the admin mode, and we're gonna hit the change list into the smiles list, which is this one right here. And then we're gonna go right here, and we're gonna pick another person, add that person in the list, and and then the iPhone flow is also gonna be the same. By the way, you can click into a list and you can go inside, and it's gonna look the same. It's just that the details page is like you have to click on it and then you go inside the check-in details page. So as soon as we click on that, it's gonna ask us for the camera, and it's gonna ask you to take a photo. I'm using the simulator right now, so this doesn't have a camera on it, but basically you just proceed with the exact same flow. You can take a photo, and it's gonna show the photo right here at the bottom. The photos are, as soon as you click on it, you're gonna be able to see the location where the check-in took place. You're gonna be able to see the photo right here as well. You're gonna be able to see check-in and check-out photos. So let's say, for example, if I do a check-in again, I get the camera again, take a photo, and then I do check-out. That's gonna be part of the check-out photo, and that's gonna be over here as well. So check-in photo, and then check-out photo, and then the location and all that. So what's gonna happen here is that you can take so all that photo is gonna be saved on our database. And whenever you download the report, it's going to be given to you as a URL, like similar to the check-in report. We're going to show you where that, like how that looks. And then on the public check-in link, this is probably the most common way to do this. What you would do is you would share the check-in link by hitting the share check-in link button. And then let's see the page that shows up for the visitors. So this is what the visitor would see. This is on the visitor side now. We're going to go ahead and pick a name from our profiles database, and we're going to check in as that person. So over here we got Melissa. So as soon as we go over here, we're going to type in the name. It's going to pull up because it's already in the profile database. As soon as we hit continue, we're going to see the option right here to register and check in. And then as soon as we do that, we're going to see the camera right here as well. So this is where we can snap a photo, hit continue, and check in. And then for the checkout, it's going to be the same thing. So Melissa, continue, check out, snap a photo, done. Now I go back to our dashboard. It's going to be the exact same as the check-in that we did with the admin dashboard. So we're going to see the check-in photo and then the checkout photo, and we're going to see like the date as well, and then all that. So the iOS app is exactly the same way. Like on the kiosk side, if we go over to the self check-in kiosk and the individual passes, they both behave the same way. Basically, you just go right here, and then you will click on someone's name, and then you see all the different lists right here. So we're gonna go into the smiles check-in for your art class, click on that, get the camera right here, take a photo, and then finish the process. And then the iPhone, the behind the desk mode is gonna be the exact same flow. And then the individual QR passes, what will happen is that once you give someone a QR pass, which is we made a whole video about that. This is the individual QR code pass for that person. They're gonna scan it by clicking on this button right here, tap to scan, and it's gonna go through the same exact flow inside the kiosk. Now let's take a look at the report and where you can find the photos. So we can already see that see that this is available on the check-in details page. On the iPhone and the iPad apps, you can click into a specific name. For example, let's say Isabel, and then you can scroll down, and you're gonna be able to see the photo. At the bottom, see the check-in photo is going to be right there, and then the checkout photo is going to be right there as well. And then the activities tab, by the way, also shows you all the different check-ins, so you can also click on that, and you can also see the photos and all the information right there as well. Now let's talk about the reports. So we hit the export attendance, and then we select the class, and then we do single list report. Now, as soon as we get inside here, we're going to see that these are the profiles right here, and then these are all the custom fields. We have a whole video on reports and what columns are over there, but we're specifically looking for the check-in date and then the checkout date, which two people have. And then we got all the device information, like how the check-in checkout was done, and then we got the check-in link right here, so the link that was used to do the check-in if the check-in did take place on a link. And then we got the check-in photo and then the checkout photo. So you can definitely put these into your web browser and be able to take a look at the photo. These are just URLs where that file is saved, and be able to take a look at the photo. We do have more advanced reports around photos and stuff, but those are available under our custom plans. So let us know what you're looking to do with photos, and we'd be happy to help.